Good morning and welcome to Genuine Earnings YouTube channel. I am Amitav. I will tell you today the tricks of how to identify color and how to identify numbers in Richshop trading. With the help of these tricks, you can now expertly trade and make money on daily basis. Let's quickly jump into the solution as to how we predict and how you can predict after watching this video today. I would request each one of you to watch this video till the end so that you can have a clear idea as to how do we do this. And before I start the video, I would request you to kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the notify option so that any new videos that I post in the channel, you get to see that at the first go. And at the end of the video, if you like it, please do not forget to click on the thumbs up and place in your likes and comments. So let's quickly start. On the right hand side, you can see the Richshop original portal, and in the portal you can see the portal period starts from 002 and it finishes at 010. So let me highlight it a little bit to get a clear picture for you guys. I hope this color is going to be working out. So what you're looking at here is period number. So the period number is basically the date, month and year. So on the left hand side you can see 002 06 08 2020. That means 6th of August 2020, and the game number 2002 is going on. And there comes the price right beside it. Price consists of 6 digits, and the entire ball game of number prediction and color prediction falls on this section, which is the price section. So we got to be very careful about the price section and how do we do this. Now the rest that you can see result a number. This is the prediction, this is the color. So reds are always the even numbers, and greens are always the odd numbers. So let me make a slight change here. I think I had made a mistake here. Quickly make that change so that I can help you guys understand it much better. All right. And numbers, again, let me tell you, numbers are matching always with the color. So if I have a red color, that means the number will always fall under 2, 4, 6 and 8 or 0. Or if I have green, then the numbers will always be 1, 3, 7, 9 or 5. Now would like to also inform you that 0 and 5 are always color which comes with another color, which is a violet. And on a different video I will explain you how do you predict violet, and in this video I will stress on how do you identify colors and numbers. So let's quickly start, and we can see on the right hand side, whatever we can see on the left hand side is exactly what we have found from the right hand side window. So in the right hand side, in the Richshop main trading screen, whatever you see from 001 to 010 is exactly what you see on the Excel, which has been copied for your better clarity and understanding. Now let's start and let's quickly identify the next color. How do we do this? If I have to make it a bit more interesting for you, how do we predict the colors? Let's quickly start that. Okay, so you might just get a bit confused as to why so many arrows are showing in this screen. Yes, This is exactly how we would calculate. Now we will always add the last two digits of the price, which is 7 and 6. So from the line number 001, we will predict the color for 002. So from the line number 001, the price is 7 and 6, which is an addition which comes out to be 13. Now we all know that 13 is a odd number. So every odd number has to be green in color. So 13 it came and I guessed it to be an odd number. So I traded out here for odd number. Now, as I know that I have failed because I practically traded 10 rupees on green. If I would have won, I would have made 19 rupees. But as I have lost, so I have lost that money. Don't worry. If you have lost, you can always go for the next one. The next one again, I will predict the color for 003 by looking at 002 price index, last two digits, 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is actually 17, which is again green. So I will trade 20 rupees this time to double my money. As I've lost 10 rupees, so with the help of 20 rupees, I will get 18 rupees. So I will get back my 10 rupees plus I will make more rupees. So eventually it will become a win. So I predicted on green and I got green. Let's go to the next one. Again, I predict the color for 004 by looking at the price index last two digits by adding the last two digits of the price index of 003. So the last two digits here is 6 plus 7, which is again 13. As per my prediction calculator, 13 is supposed to be a green. I traded 10 rupees again on green. I have lost. No hope lost. I have another opportunity. So again, I will start predicted for the prediction period number, record period number 005 by adding the last two digits of the price index from record 004. So here the addition is 4 plus 3, which is equivalent to 7, and I expect it to have a green. Again, as I have lost 10 rupees, I will go for 20 rupees here, or if I want, I can even go for 30 rupees here by predicting on green. It's a pure win. The next one is 1 plus 1 is 2. So if it is 2, it's supposed to be red. I won. 1 plus 0 is equivalent to 1. It's green. I've won. 7 plus 3 is 10. Red. I won. 3 plus 2 is green. It came green. I won. And the last one, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. I traded on red, but I've lost. So eventually, this would be the trending structure through which you will keep on continually keep trading, and this is how you would start making money. So let's quickly move on to the next phase. And before I move into the next phase, I would like to inform that after trading for a continuous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, I have lost 3 times and I have won 6 times. Now the profit margin from 9 times to 6 times is obviously higher. But if you keep on doing in the same trend by adding and then moving on to the next color, and if you lose, you have to double it. You have to double that amount. So if you lose 10, you go for 20. If you lose 20, if you go for 40. So on a different video, I will again tell you how do you double invest, how do you triple invest, and how do you make money out of it. Now, as we are moving on, we have now understood how to predict the color. But we have to now understand how to predict the number. Number prediction will give you a lot of profit. Each number that you trade upon, if it matches, you get 72 rupees for a single number if it match. So simultaneously here I'm going to follow the same type of analysis wherein I will predict the number for a record number 002 by looking at the price index of 001. So let us quickly have a look and see how this magic works. So as we start with the number prediction, let us take a look at the last two digits of the price index of 001 to predict the number of 002. Now, like we added the last two digits for color prediction, in case of a number prediction, we will subtract the last two digits of price index. So here we have 7 and 6. So if I subtract 7 and 6, it comes out to be 1. The number that we get, we will always move on 3 numbers chosen after the number that we have got after subtraction. So to have a better clarity and a better understanding, I will explain you. Here we have to subtract the last two digits of the last price index. That means if we have to calculate the number if to predict the number for 002, then you have to subtract the last two digits of the price index from the last price that we have got. So from 001. Here we have 7 and 6, which an example, 7 and 6 is 1. So now as we have got this starting number, which is 1, pick the next 3 numbers along with the chosen number. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a bet on each of them and 10 rupees. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 40 rupees. If in case any one of the numbers comes out to be the positive selected prediction and it matches, by spending 40 rupees, you will return 72 rupees, which will be a profit of 32 rupees. And if you lose, the next turn you're going to play, it has to be 20 rupees. So the first time you trade on 4 numbers, it becomes 40 rupees. If you lose, the second time you trade, it becomes 80 rupees. If you lose, the third time, it becomes 140 rupees because you are increasing not by double units, but by 1 unit. So you lose 10 rupees on one color, you go for 20 rupees the next time. You lose again, you go for 30 rupees the next time. So simultaneously, why you are increasing in number? Because you increase by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and every time it clicks, you get 72 for 10 rupees that is spent on a single number. So generally what you will do, you will have to multiply. So if you have played 100 rupees instead of 10 rupees, and if you have played 100, 100, 100, 100 in 4 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and if in by chance any one of the number clicks as per your prediction, then you get 720 rupees with a profit of 320 rupees by spending 400 rupees. So let's start here and let's check it out and see how many wins and losses we had. So here I will start with 7 and 6. After subtracting, I got 1. So I traded 10 rupees each on 1, 2, 3, 4. So I lost this money here. The second one, I have 9 minus 8 is 1 again. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I I got 7 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 7 instead of expected numbers. So I had played double numbers. That means I lost 40. I went for 80 and I lost it. But hope's still there. So I will subtract the last one, which is 6 minus 7 here, of from 003 to predict the number for 004. After subtracting 6 from 7, I got 1. So as I got 1, I traded on 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time, as I lost 10 rupees, 20 rupees, I traded 30 rupees on each of the numbers. So I've spent 140 rupees and I got back 216 rupees. Simultaneously, I'll go up again. 3 minus 4 is 1. So I traded 1, 2, 3, 4. It matched. I won. I went for 1 minus 1 is 0. I went for 0, 1, 2, 3. It matched on 0. I won. Then I went for 1 minus 0. I got 1 again. I played for 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 3. I won. Simultaneously, I went for a 3 minus 7. I got 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. It didn't click. I lost here 40 rupees. And right after that, as I lost, I have to double it. So I went for 20 here. So the next one is 3 minus 2, which is on the line number 008. 3 minus 2. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 because 3 minus 2 is 1. So I kept 1 and added 3 more. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Lucky me, I got my return with 80 rupees spending. I got 144 rupees. So this way I went on with the next one, which is 1 minus 1, 0 for predicting the number for period number 10 by subtracting the last 2 digits from the price index of 009, the previous one. I got 0. I traded on 0, 1, 2, 3, 10 rupees each, 40 rupees. Didn't match. So again, I would like to say in a nutshell, on overall, I had went on with 9 different trading times. I lost 4 times and I won 5 times. My prediction matched and it gave me a profit at the end of the day. So simultaneously, I would like to now ask you all to quickly waste no further time. Please subscribe quickly, place in your likes and comments, and there is a link mentioned in the same video at the description. Do join on this link, recharge with 100 rupees, recharge with 200 rupees, not more than that, whichever suits the best for you, and immediately WhatsApp me on the number that is mentioned in the description box so that I can invite you in our WhatsApp Master Prediction group and you can start making money from day one itself. Thank you for watching and hope you would be using my tricks and making money. Happy trading and enjoy the genuine earning process.